Hi, greetings. Hello. Good evening. This is Teacher File, or shall I say, welcome to my channel. Alright. So for tonight's live, we are going to actually talk about something different. Alright. We'll be focusing about the techniques on how to boost your focus permanently in minutes. So I want you to stay tuned of this live tonight. It is because I'm sure it allows you to have a very productive and also able for you to, what do you call it, this masters your time management in just a week. Now this is also something relevant to the live video that I had conducted in the previous lives. Alright. Again, for tonight, we are going to talk about different topics. This video is all about yet powerful techniques to boost your focus permanently in minutes. So if you've ever felt scattered, distracted, or even overwhelmed, well, stay locked in, because these tips will change how you work, you think, and of course how you perform. Alright. But before we move forward and dig deeper to this discussion, let me remind you first, if you happen to visit on YouTube application, social media platform YouTube, never forget to also subscribe on my channel, Talk with Froy. Just search on the search bar on the YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel's Talk with Froy. There you can see mixed of content videos that relates to people. So learn and be inspired on my videos. Alright. Let's go. So for tonight, we are going to focus about different techniques on how to boost your focus permanently in minutes. But before anything else, let me ask you first a question. Do you find yourself reaching for your phone every 5 minutes, struggling to stay on task, and wondering why you can't stay focused for even 10 minutes? Well, by the end of this video, you'll learn 5 powerful techniques that can instantly boost your focus and keep you productive all day. Alright. And best of all, they're backed by neuroscience and take less than a few minutes to apply. Okay. So if you want a more real science-backed strategies to train your mind, well, of course, and transform your habits, well, never forget to follow me on my Instagram, Mr. Simplicity, yours truly, and I'll follow you back. And then, of course, if you happen to go visit again on your YouTube social media platform, just search on the search bar Talk with Froy, subscribe, tap the bell so you never miss a weekly video like this. Hey, this is Froilan Toricampo, and I used to waste hours a day just trying to get in the zone. But after studying high performance habits and training my mind with these techniques, well, of course, I can now lock in within minutes. So let me show you how to do the same. Alright, so these are the following sequence or steps, informations, the 5 focus techniques on how to boost permanently your focus in minutes. Alright. Are you ready? Okay, so let's go. So first step is use the 5-5 breathing reset. Now, how are you going to do that? No? How are you going to use this type of technique? No? Use the 5-5 breathing technique. Well. According to Brendan Burchard is a high performance speaker, public speaker in United States of America. He's an entrepreneur, also a coach. And Brendan Burchard explained this, also techniques, a breathing system on how to use a breathing system, how important it is to, in order for you to focus permanently, you need to use a breathing system. No, from Brendan Burchard, according to Brendan Burchard, ang iyang techniques is, para mabalik ka sa imong focus, you have to apply this system, release the tensions, and of course, what do you call this? You have to release the tension while you are inhaling. You have to something different. But right now I have my own system. No, the 5-5 breathing reset. So I want you to close your eyes, then inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. While you are closing your eyes, inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then hold for 5 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Before you release your tension. Okay, release your tension. Exhale. You have to release your tension for at least 5 seconds. You need to repeat that 1 3 times. Again. How are you going to use the 5-5 breathing reset? Well. First of all, you have to close your eyes. Inhale for 5 seconds. Inhale for 5 seconds. And then hold for 5 seconds. Exhale for 5 seconds. So while you are inhaling, make sure all your intentions, I want you to consolidate your tensions. No, whatever that triggers your mind, consolidate it while you are inhaling, holding it 5 seconds, and then going back, exhale, release the tension. And of course, mulanghap ka o kanang something good, mga good intentions. So that's how you do the 5-5 breathing system or breathing reset. Now you are going to repeat that one at least 3 times, no? In order for you to focus, to stay on track, to focus. All right. So another step is what we call the this is something also different, and this is another rule that we need also to apply. In the previous live, I had explained about the Pareto principle, which is on how to master time management and productivity. But right now, this is different rule. This rule is intended only on how to focus permanently, even in just minutes. Alright? So this rule is what we call the 90/20 rule. How do this rule works? 90 minutes, you need to work deeply 90 minutes, then break for at least 20 minutes. Okay? So one thing, laing way nga imong buhaton naron makasunod nimo ni nga rule, the 90/20 rule, work deeply for 90 minutes, then break for 20 minutes. You should use a timer, or block distractions during those 90 minutes, kana bang ting panahon bitaw sa ting trabaho bitaw nimo, aron gajud nga naa gajud kay focus sa imuhang work, i-block nimo ng mga distractions nimo. You need to block all those distractions, your phones, or maybe pwede nimo i-set ang imong phones into do not disturb, kay kailangan ka nga ma-focus ka, mahuman ka ani nga particular task, no? That's how you basically kanang ibalik nimo ang imong focus. Alright? So the 90/20 rule. Work deeply for 90 minutes, then break for at least 20 minutes. So it depends on your actually it would depends on unsa jud na imong mga schedule every day, no? Use a timer and then block distractions during those working hours, no? That was 90 minutes of working. So like for example, you can also take a break. During your break time, you should imong ibalik imong gamiton ng imong mga what are the things that you are passionate about, no? Could be journaling, or maybe drinking water, no? Go peed, or maybe also kuha ka sa imong balik ko phone, na kay kuan chatan ka diyot, then ibalik ka pagbalik imong phone, no? So again, 20 minutes, you have the freedom to choose on how are you going to utilize those 20 minutes, no, break time. Pwede imong i-enhance ni mo balik ang imong mga kanang imong gustong gusto nimong i-enhance nga skills, no? Kanang 20 minutes na break time, pwede nimo na gamiton, no, to enhance your skills, to probably learn on how to actually do the self-promotion, no, marketing and self-promotion, ingon ana. So again, those are the 2 steps, no, on focusing, the focus techniques, no, the 5 focus techniques. Another sequence or another steps to stay on track, or shall I say, to boost your focus permanently in minutes, is what we call detox mini ritual. Detox mini ritual. What do you mean by that? No, before we go to our deep work, no, before deep work, we have to dapat na atay gap, na atay gitawag na to interval before ta mo kanabang mo focus na gadget ta sa ato ang work, no? Dapat na at jay interval, time interval before ka mo undergo sa imong task, no? Avoid your phone at least 20 minutes before your deep work. Avoid your phones 20 minutes before nga mag deep work na ka. Or avoid also eating sugar or sweets or anything dopamine heavy for at least 30 minutes. Now, this balance before ka matulog, ini kagabi, no? Before ka matulog, dapat jud aron ka maka-focus ra jud ka nga makatugra ga jud ka in ana nga particular hours, duration of time, no? Yes, I know nga most of us sleep na makatug na ta like almost 11:45, no? Mostly of us, no? Makatug tag 11:45, or some also natulog na sila at 10 p.m. Pero just a reminder nga pwede kung pwede kaning you have to set your time, no? Dapat mo avoid na kaani nga mga dopamine heavy, mga heavy nga mga things, because that could also triggers your focus nganong dugay ka makatulog, kay ganun man naara man kag humawid sa imong cellphone, di ba? So most of us, no, makatulog ta mga alas 12 na, it's because we are basically kanang naggunit og cellphone, mo na nga dili ta ka focus kung unsa dya ato ang gustong buhaton, di ba? Ingon ana. So through dopamine detox mini ritual, this balances your brain's reward system and primes it for focus. Alright. So, Another one thing here is, another step is what we call anchor your focus with sound. No? I mean, naaman tayo way on how we can regain our focus. There are different ways, there are different strategies on how we can regain our focus. But by anchoring it with a sound, manggod, different, no? Anchoring your focus with sound, create a focus trigger playlist. Pwede na set, no? Create a focus trigger playlist. Like same songs every time, no? Your brain will associate with sound with deep work mode, no? There are mga social media platforms. There are also kabantay po ko nga dahil mga apps po no nga intended only for kanang music bitaw nga pang katugra gud siya. Pangkatugra gud siya mga ikaw until nga ma-fall asleep ka while you are listening to that music. Ako different ko kay nga naman when kana bitong padung na ko matulog nga na daw kanang matulog na ko dyan any times nga where I overthink a lot rabaga jud. So kanang gusto ko nga mag-focus ko sa sleep. Gusto ko nga makagain ko og at least 8 hours of sleep every day. Okay? It's because manggod importante man jud ni makatuga jud ta kay nga naman if limited ra imong time bitaw nga matug ka kanang it leads you to burned out, no? Every day, no? Dili ka ka-focus sa imong tired. It's because you are tired, no? You are tired kay wala kay tarong og tulog, no? Kanunay ka mag-grumpy. So, yeah, that's it. Another thing, no, it is also helpful man good when you anchor your focus with a sound. So, nati times po no, dili ko katulog. So, amo na ganahan ko maminaw o something rain na ay magtagak-tagak na rain sa nga sounds, or maybe a flow of a river, kanang flow of a river ana siya pwede na resolve nimo gamiton as a soundtrack until no that there daghang mga sounds na pwede nimong gamiton until nga ikaw makatulog ka, no? So yan na, anchor your focus with sound. Of course, you have also to set an alarm. Kaya nga naman, you need to set an alarm. Kaya naay times manggod na mga sounds manggod nga kaning gitawag nato kanang ganahan gadjud ka ba sa sounds, kanang ganahan gadjud ka sa sounds, dili ka kanang ganahan ka sa sounds, yes, ganahan ka sa sounds, yes, ganahan ka sa sounds. And nahimo nang imo nang nahimong sleeping pattern, dili ka katog walay sounds, no? Mahimo na imong sleeping pattern. So, yeah, it's good also that you have to anchor your focus with the sound. So the last step in regaining your focus, it's what we call visual distraction sweep. What do you mean by that? So it means before starting work, you need to declutter. You need to declutter all those things that are unnecessary. No, clear your environment. No, sa imong table, for example, no, ready na kakaadyo sa imong work for that day, and then here it comes. Kaarang kahugaw ang imong imong table, daghang mga papel, daghang mga kanang unnecessary things, and that could lead us to distractions, no? Muna nga gamay rata mahimo sa nga productive, dili ta kadyo productive sa tungod law. It's because we are distracted to this particular things at one table. So you need to declutter all the things that are not necessary, that are not relevant to your work, diba? So ingon ana siya those are, I mean, you have to show clean versus messy desk comparison with, you know, with stats overlay. Oh, I mean, no. What I mean by that, you have to declutter, reduce, no, reduce those things that are unnecessary. No, through that, it allows you to have a focus for your particular day. Okay. So I think that's all for now. No, I mean, let me ask you a question first. What's a number one thing that kills your focus every day? I really want to know. Can you comment down on the comment box below? And of course, if you do that, I'll also give you a specific strategy to fight it. No? A specific strategy to fight it. No? What's the number one thing that kills your focus every day? So if you, again, this is Teacher Foil. I think this is, I think there's ato ang mahatag no, a value. Then if you got something helpful today, hopefully you could also visit to your YouTube channel and then search on the search bar Talk with Froy, and then top like or hit the subscribe button, and then check out the next video on, you know, on videos that are related to this particular video. Okay, so again, I do hope that this video resonates with you. This is Froylin Campo. You can also follow me on Instagram, Mr. Simplicity. Yeah. So, and I also have Threads, TikTok, Surfy. So that's it. And this is Teacher Foil. Thank you so much for listening. Bye for now.